The Bluetooth function must be available in order to connect a mobile phone to the infotainment system. You only need to carry out the pairing process once. The ignition must be on and the Bluetooth function enabled on the system and on the mobile device to begin the pairing process. Press the main menu key and then press the phone menu button. Next, press the Search for Phone button and access Results. The search can last up to 1 minute. The system will actively update the names of the devices found on the display. Select the mobile phone that you wish to connect from the list. Confirm the link to the mobile phone if necessary. The maximum range for the Bluetooth connection is approximately 10 meters. The system automatically connects to the last mobile phone connected. Phone management can store a maximum of 4 user profiles for mobile phones. The data from the phone book, call lists and stored speed dial buttons are assigned to a user profile and remain stored on the phone management system. This information will be available every time the mobile phone is connected to the phone management system. The following information can be viewed on the phone main menu. Name of the connected mobile phone. Icon allowing you to connect or pair with another mobile phone. Icon allowing you to switch between connected phones as hands-free. Speed dial buttons, to which numbers from the phone book may be assigned. Dial number, to open the number pad and enter a phone number. Contacts, to access the phone book of the connected mobile phone. Message, to open the menu for SMS messages. Calls, to open the call lists of the connected mobile phone. And Settings, to access the phone settings menu. To make a call, you can enter a phone number with the keypad and then press the Call button, or search the phone book and press the desired contact to make the call. The Message option will be activated if the connected mobile phone also supports the SMS profile. This option allows SMS messages to be received, viewed and sent by the infotainment system. The Calls button allows you to see the list of calls. The list can be filtered by all, missed, made or received. Each of the speed dial buttons can be used to store a phone number from the phone book. If the name stored in the phone book has a photo assigned, this can be displayed on the speed dial button. All the speed dial buttons must be manually edited and will be assigned to a user profile. The Settings button allows you to change your user profile, adjust your Bluetooth settings, and select the phone you wish to connect, among other options. The Bluetooth function allows you to manage Bluetooth visibility, connections, and profiles. The Bluetooth audio option must be enabled in the Settings menu to connect external audio sources via Bluetooth. The user profile settings allow you to manage up to 4 configurations per profile, with options such as Manage Favorites, Contacts, Voice Mailbox, Select Ringtone, and Display Contact Pictures.